Welcome back to besttradingsignals.net. We're going to review payday examples, and that means, successful trades here. Screenshot from NADEX. So we do these screenshots to get us a track record keeping as best as possible, because with NADEX, things come and go. Once you're at the end of the day, there goes the position. You can't go. So it's a pain to get the records. But anyways, so we have here an example of US Tech. This is with EL3. There's a DOPETUALPOPS. So DOPETUALPOPS and EL3. Okay. These are two signal services that are day trading services. They're on close style, well, on open with futures and NADEX. So we've shifted our entry time between 6:30 and 7:30. Okay, it used to be 6 and 7. That was too rushed, and it was making mistakes by the signal callers. Mistakes meaning that they didn't trade the system right. So it's like, oh boy. So we just said, calm down. And as take your time as it comes to you, and accuracy has increased dramatically. Okay, not dramatically, but it's the accuracy right now is we're on a streak of nearing 4 weeks of almost all winning trades in all the signals. That's good, right? And this is not all in one direction. Okay, these are also trades that were in consolidations and things like that. So that means it's good. Now we're not trying to make stuff up in real time and get ideas from the ether or whatever. What we're trying to do is just trade the system accurately, and these are complicated systems, and that's the thing, right? So we had the end goal of looking to get this super convenient way to day trade, put on one trade, and the ultimate ideal is let it go to expiration. But over the past maybe a year now, the markets have been a lot of the times very sporadic, and they've been moving around and hopping around and jumping around and popping and bopping. So, and then you have a lot of dramatic intraday moves. So we just put at the top of the signal service, hey, bird in one hand better than two in bush. Okay. For vegetarians, what's a good one? Coconut in one hand is better than two at top of a tree. Okay. So anyways, so it's better when you have a full or near full profit, instead of letting it go to expiration for the extra satisfaction of letting it expire, we say, you know what, why not take the money and run? And one of our students listens to us, and this guy, he has 100% winning from all our signals. Okay, I mean from the perpetual pop stuff. At least that's what he told us of last. I'm like, wait a minute. The service didn't even have 100% winning. He's like, hey man, I'm taking my profits when I get them. So, okay, keep doing what you're doing. But over the past 4 weeks, we've come close to that 100%. So, just in the signals. But so I'm not trying to promise you 100% or near 100% winning, but we have to have market agreement. Okay, the market has to want to agree with its traditional tendencies. So if the market does its traditional tendency type of thing, we're going to have high winning percents. Okay. Anyway, so regardless, you can treat these signals as a system, like do them all, or you can use them for trading ideas. I would say a lot of traders use the signals for trading ideas. I know I did back in the days, and I would use signal services for trading ideas while combining them with my own ideas or my own optimizations. But also, those trading signal services kept me focused. They kept me in the game because I was more of a strategy trader back then. And so with being a strategy trader, you need extra focus, okay? Because, if you're a systems trader, you just trade the system like a robot, right? You just, time to make the donuts, you just get up and get it done. To be a successful systems trader, you have to turn systems trading into a habit. So, anyways, here, let's blow this up a little bit. US Tech, okay? And the great thing about US Tech, as I mentioned before, is that with NADEX currently, and I don't want to jinx anything here, but with NADEX currently, their pricing model works out well with the speed of today's average NQ, okay, US Tech 100 moving abouts, right? The speed of markets works out well. It's very easy for NASDAQ to blow through a range. So look at the range right here, right? Look at these bars. This is so easy. Now, there's a premium factor. Let's say you got to the end of this spread early. Let's say it's 2 a.m. or midnight even. You're going to have premium on there, which won't give you the full profit. But if you have a move that blows through the whole spread range quite a bit, that premium you can get most of the amount of profit, even way early in the spread, like at midnight. So it depends on the amount of movement versus time left to expiration to get the fuller premium. Okay, so we have examples up here. We have trades up here according to who's in the signal service. So if no one's in a certain membership, and we just put out way too many signal services. So if no one's in the service, we're not going to put the trade up here on this tracking account, right? Because we have to track what's being put up. Maybe we should, just reduce the signals and put them all on anyways. So let me see. So this is options weekly paycheck system E for that trade there. This is perpetual pops FX NADEX. Okay, and this is RC1 Pro out of the money weekly binaries. Okay. Oh yeah, this is perpetual pops there. Well, I should just stop. I'm just rambling on here, but I wanted to not only show you some of these successful examples, get some positive type of, excitement going maybe, and then also talk about things related, such as tips and things to know about the possibilities, pitfalls, and what we have here and what you could use and how you can use it, like I mentioned. All right, so that's about it. Thank you.